Here we are in part 2 of this awesome XC Falcon build. I was actually here with the owner.
Yes, Wiggles. Yeah.
And he was telling me all about the fact he's had this for so long, he
Yeah.
towed the trailer with it.
Yeah.
Now, if you guys want to check out that episode, it is part 1. It's on the YouTube. I'll add a link to it below. You can see the part 1. But did a bit of work on this thing, and at the end of it, realised that the poor engine had pretty much lost compression.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now it's back on the road
Yes.
with a brand new heart.
She is the 393 cubic inch stroker engine, and we've got a CBF Superformance on there as well. If you like those last all-inclusive kit. We've got AC, power steer, alternator, so all the upgrades.
Yeah.
Nice and polished.
But now she's... It's good.
Don't break it.
I won't break it. I've been given strict instructions not to go full throttle, so I won't.
Self-control today, Chris. Self-control. We also freshened up the brake hard lines, so not hard lines, soft lines. Just got the system, make sure that with the new engine and with the new horsepower that she's got in here, make sure that the safety features are up to scratch.
Yep.
Yep, they work.
It stops.
It stops.
Feels good.
As she is still a manual, which is a bit different from these old cars.
Yeah.
You don't see a lot of manuals these days, so it's refreshing.
Which I love.
Other than that, we did new power steer lines, so again, just going over the handling of the car, just to make sure that with the new engine, she's able to start, stop, steer, handle better.
Yeah.
And a new exhaust system.
Yeah, it sounds bloody great.
It sounds
It
fantastic.
sounds so much better than it did before.
Yeah.
The only thing left to do will be the gearbox at some point,
Yes, that's correct.
and that's about it.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
apart from that, this thing is ready to hit the road.
She's still a nice cruiser, but she has a little bit of grunt to her.
Absolutely. I wonder how he's going to go towing the caravan with this thing now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you need any work done on your car or any parts, make sure you give us a call or check out the website. Catch you next time.
See ya.
Oh, you remembered.